Hi everyone, welcome to this short walkthrough of our web application Mood Music, a personalized music platform which is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front-end part, and for backend we have used PHP along with data stored in MySQL database. Here we are starting with login and sign up page. So let's begin with the authentication system. Here we can sign up or log in using our credentials. I have already made an account on Mood Music. So let's go directly to login where I have putting my username. Let's say it is my username. I am putting my password. After putting password, it is totally encrypted. Let's log in. After logging in, users are greeted with a mood selection interface. Whether you are happy, sad, energetic, or relaxed, simply select your mood, and the website generates a curated playlist tailored according to your emotions. Let's explore the music system. For example, I am selecting a sad mood for playing a song. In this, each playlist features a fully functional music player, like allowing which allow users to enjoy their selected songs directly within the website, seamless and user friendly. From the nav bar, like you can see here, with every mood you can find a curated playlist according to the website. If I am selecting happy, then it will show all the playlist related with the happy mood, and all the music will start playing according to your mood. Let's start with the nav bar. Go to the nav bar. Users can access the dashboard here. Like I am accessing my dashboard. Here, adding songs made easy. For example, I am going to dashboard part. Here you can add your music according to your mood. Just paste a YouTube link here, artist name, YouTube link here, and you will select your mood. According to that, when you click on add song, a curated song will be added here, and the dashboard. And again, when you go to the home page, in that dashboard, in that mood part, your music will be added accordingly. Now, let's explore the backend part. For backend, we manage two tables. For example, if I show you my backend part, uh, we will start again. Yes. Now the backend part is open. In the backend, you can see we are managing two main tables. In the MySQL part, sorry, in the mood music part, we are we are working with two table, that is one for users and one for song, which are efficiently organized and connected to enhance personalization and mood based sorting. For example, if I click on user database, it will show the number of account I have logged in already. And the main part is that it is showing the encrypted password, which is better for security of the users. This was the user part. And for song, it is creating a different table where all the playlist has been curated. Now let's go to the mood tune dashboard part. At the footer, we have a comprehensive footer that give insight to the purpose of mood music, introduces our development team, and displays content and contact link.